Hi, how are you? This is Marty again, and today I'd like to show you this first-time home buyer program right here from Santa Clara County. Do you want to know how to do that? Stay tuned. Now I will share this link with you later on so that you can apply, and this is good for the entire year. So don't worry about this coming year that if you miss this time, you don't have next time. This program is always here. The website is always here. The program will be always going on to help out the first-time home buyer. And let's scroll down to see what they offer and how you need to apply for it. Empower home buyers right here in Santa Clara County, SCC. So that they will help you for up to 17% down, but they require a total of 20%. Therefore, you need to have your own 3% of down payment. So here says Empower Home Buyers is a loan for first-time home buyers to help them with a down payment. The loan can be for up to 17%. That we already mentioned that the home's purchase price, which means additional 3% from the first-time home buyer, that will reach a down payment of 20%. So it's very clear right here. You need to have a 3% down in order to get the 17% from them to help you to tour that first-time home buyer program, the 20% down. So they do a rough calculation, and if you are buying a $600,000 right here, right now, $600,000, you can only buy a condo in San Jose area in pretty much almost 3/4 of Santa Clara County. You can only buy condo. Probably you cannot even buy in Palo Altos or Los Altos. So that's just too expensive over there. Even the condo is overpriced, about 800, 900,000. So $600,000, you can buy a house that's probably done in Gilroy or Morgan Hill, but probably not even the case nowadays. It's too expensive. So that the home they can help you up the most is up to $800,000 of that. So that means you would need around this much, $136,000 to $102,000 of if you are buying $800,000 worth of a house. They can help you for this much, 136 to 102, 102,000, 102,000, but you need to have your own $34,000 from yourself. You need to have a 3% down from yourself. That's basically what they say. How to apply? Now, get qualified. There is an online interest form that you need to fill out right here. That's the first step. And second step, attend home buyer education. There's 8 hours of a home buyer education program that they ask you to attend, take a class in order for you to be able to pass. They grant the money for you. And you also need to find a lender. But I believe you go through this program, they will provide a list of lenders for you to choose from, for you to get a pre-approval letter from the participating lender. So they do have a bunch of lenders for you to choose from, and they will provide you a pre-approval letter. Then, if you are eligible for application, then you'll be able to move on to the next step, finding a property. You're going to look for a property, shop for a home. So the house you can buy pretty up to $800,000. That can help you to buy a house. $800,000 right now, you can buy a house in some area. So that is a good idea for that. Now, for finalized loan and complete purchase, then you need to submit a purchase loan application. And you need a counseling section. You need to meet a counseling section also. So that means you will have to not only attend the class, you need to go to the counseling section with the counselor to find out what's going on, and close on your new home, move in, and enjoy. So pretty much the step is we going forward from here. You filled out the online application and you do attend for 8 hours of a home buying program for the education class. And once you have that done, then they will help you to find a lender, and you get pre-approval letter to get your application, and then you can start in to look for house and submit your loan application so that you can get a counseling regarding the home buying program. And once you have that done, you buy a new home. So here comes the qualifications. You are a first-time home buyer buying a primary residence in Santa Clara County. You must owner-occupy the home. Yeah, because you are the first-time home buyer. Obviously, you want to live there. You're not an investor for doing that. So the third is you have pre-approval from approval lender, which is coming from their list. You need to get it from them, and so you can be pre-qualified, pre-approved. You have completed HUD, the certified 8 hours of home buyer program education class. That's through their agency. And you can put down as minimum of 3% for the home purchase price. 3% is a quite good price because they're going to give you 17% of that for you toward your 20% down payment. So you can avoid the mortgage insurance, which is good. And the gross household income, including all adult, the household members must not exceed 120% of the area median income. How do you look at that? They show right here. If a household only one, that means you're a single person, your income is limited to this much, $118,950, which is possible. That is for one person, because one person pretty much don't make this much, and then they live by themselves. So really that is very limited income, and actually you don't have that much. We don't make that much, so that's good. If you have two households, then you cannot go over 135,900, or you have three, 152,900, or you have four, then it's 169,900, or five, 183,500. They go up all the way to 8 people in the household. Everybody is working. Obviously, your income is more. So there's a limitation right here. You have so many people working, your income cannot go over that much for you to be qualified. That means they are helping for the lower income people. So I believe a lot of people can be qualified. Here is the requirement for this program. Now your house, you don't buy over $800,000 of a house, which is still possible right here in San Jose. And you must have a 30 years of mortgage. That means they ask you to stay a little bit longer. And share appreciation. This comes to the part that their requirement, you need to meet them. You meet their demand. Share appreciation cap for the first 10 years of term of the loan. So you gotta at least stay for 10 years. After 10 years, no longer capped. Percentage share the appreciation based on percentage of original empowered home buyer Santa Clara County principal loan amount to the original purchase price of the home. So basically, they do have percentage that the requirement share the appreciation. That means as soon as the house appreciates, you pay down the principal of the loan, then there is a percentage once you sell the house that you need to give them percentage back to them, including, I believe, 17% of the down payment. They help you, you need to pay back to them as well. So maximum loan amount is up to 17% of purchase price. They can help you up to 17%. You need to come down with the 3%. Help for the third 20% of the entire purchase program, so that you borrow 80% to avoid the mortgage insurance, which makes sense. So that's good for a lot of people who are not qualified to buy the house. I believe this is a very good program for you, and it's keep going for a lot of people. And they have other resources as well. I show right here, and I'll put down this link right below so you can see it. That is a very good way for people right here in Santa Clara County. They want to buy a house. I believe they do offer in Alameda County as well. And next time I will show you what my finding is, so that people live in Alameda County, especially Fremont or Hayward, that they can starting to dig into this program and help them to get their house, dream home they want to buy. This is a very good program, and I hope this can help everyone. If you have any question, please let me know and we can discuss, or I'll find out more information for you. And that's all I have today. Thank you. Talk to you soon.